The 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is an iconic car that continues to captivate collectors and car enthusiasts alike. Known for its sleek design and powerful engine, this Corvette is now a rare and valuable find, especially in its restored condition. As one of only 350 examples produced with certain rare features, this particular 1965 Corvette Convertible stands as a testament to American automotive excellence. Chevrolet made significant strides in 1965, with its full-size models, like the Impala, becoming massive successes. However, the Corvette remained the standout in the sports car market. The Corvette was already celebrated as America's top sports car, and the 1965 model year saw a series of upgrades that solidified its place in automotive history. Among these was the introduction of the side exhaust system and the addition of the 396 Ci turbojet engine. Chevrolet produced a total of 23,162 Corvettes in 1965, with 15,376 of them being convertibles. While these numbers seem high, the specific version of this Corvette, with its L76 engine and rare silver pearl paint, makes it a standout. The L76 engine, producing 365 horsepower, was only installed in a fraction of the 1965 Corvettes, making this model even more special. This Corvette has been fully restored, with its L76 engine rebuilt and now boasting only 2,000 miles post-restoration. The car is in flawless condition, likely due to its careful preservation in a climate-controlled garage. The restoration was completed around 5 years ago, ensuring that the car still feels new and looks stunning in every way. The rarity of this Corvette lies not only in its performance upgrades, but also in its color and features. The silver pearl paint was one of the rarest options for 1965, with only 2,452 cars painted in this color. In fact, tuxedo black and goldwood yellow were the more common choices for Corvette buyers that year, which makes this silver pearl car a true gem. Additionally, only a small number of Corvette convertibles were fitted with the auxiliary hardtop, an expensive option at the time. In total, 7,787 cars came with the hardtop, adding to the rarity of this particular Corvette. Another standout feature of this Corvette is the side exhaust system, introduced for the first time in 1965. Only 759 cars were equipped with this feature, further enhancing the uniqueness of this vehicle. When you combine the silver pearl color, the L76 engine, the auxiliary hardtop, and the side exhaust, you have a very rare and desirable Corvette. The interior is equally special. This Corvette features a silver interior, which was only installed in 350 cars that year. The attention to detail in the interior, combined with the unique exterior features, makes this 1965 Corvette Convertible a must-have for any serious collector. The car is not just a looker, it's a true performance machine. The 327 Ci V8 engine with the L76 option offers 365 horsepower, ensuring that this vehicle can deliver on both style and performance. Despite its flawless restoration, this car does have a few original parts, such as the fiberglass body and factory body bonding strips, which adds to its authenticity. While the clock may need a small fix, the rest of the car is in perfect working order, making it a true collector's item. The dealer, Napoli Classics, has priced this restored Corvette at $95,000, but financing options are available for those looking to make an investment in automotive history. For any serious collector, this Corvette represents not just a purchase, but a piece of American muscle car history. With its rare features, impeccable condition, and impressive performance, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is a rare gem that any car enthusiast would be proud to own. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of history.